Yeah, hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the different types of input boxes. Okay, we can take a different types of input boxes and we can use according to our requirement in our project. So firstly let look at the firstly look at the code. So you can see that this is the different types of input we are taking, and we are just taking the different types of input. Okay, text type, password type, checkbox type, image type, email type, file type, hidden type, button type. You have to just select as an input or only simply, and you can change the its type. If you want to input box as a button, if you want input box as a number, as a range, as a tell, as a time. If you want just only time in input box, so you can type as a type and is equal to time. If you want only date, so you can type as a date. If you want a time date, so you can use type as a date time local. Okay, so these are the different kinds of input boxes we can take for our upcoming projects. So I'm just click right here and it will open. See, you can see that different kinds of input box we have available, and we can show you that how it's working. Simple text type. If you enter anything, it will it's showing the dot dot dot. That means we choose that input box as a password. So you can select as a this input box is working as a checkbox. If you can take you can choose this input box for the image purpose also. Okay, if you want to choose the different kinds of files, you can use the file types of input box. Okay, so you can see that I choose this image and select. So you can see that image, it selected this image, and this is the number type of input box. You can enter only number, you can't enter here alphabets. And you can choose you can convert this input box as a range type. You can see this. Okay, and if you want just a time, so you can choose this type of input box. Simply it will select only time, it will select only day, month and year. If you want day, month with time also, so you can choose this type of input box. Okay, and if you just want year and month, so you can choose this. So this is the for the URL purpose you input box. This is the submit button. Okay, so it will submit the all input box. See, this was the type of email, so that's why it's showing this type of, that we didn't use here @ na for the email purpose, because this input box was type of email. See this one. So if you will not use this input box as an email, so it will show you error. Okay, now it will not show the error. Okay, and you can choose the different kinds of image, color, which type of color you want, and you can choose the number from here also using RGB. So you can choose different kinds of color. These are the different kinds of input box we today will learn. So, and even there is a more different kinds of input boxes. You can go to directly on Google Chrome. You can Google and you can search and learn new, if you want other different types of input box. Okay, so in this video that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys.